Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. At the Torino Olympic Winter Games closing ceremony, Canada invited the world to come play with us at the 2010 Winter Games in Vancouver. One of the special moments in the closing ceremony occurred when Vancouver Mayor Sam Sullivan accepted the Olympic flag using a specially modified wheelchair. Vancouver resident and gardener Jill Weiss knows what it's like to get around in a wheelchair. 35 years ago, a car accident left her disabled, but she didn't let that stop her from digging in the dirt. In one of Vancouver's many community gardens, I caught up with Jill as she maneuvered her wheelchair to pick lettuce. Her garden, a wooden box measuring 4 feet square and 2.5 feet tall, overflowed with vegetables and flowers. Describe what you have growing here.
A huge number of different things. I have sweet potatoes, carrots, leeks, onions, parsnips, beets, melons, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage. What else? Tomatoes, potatoes, okra, kohlrabi. Pretty much everything you can imagine is growing here. Salsify, unusual things. Oh, and there's asparagus and garlic.
Because Jill grows more produce than she can use, she shares it with her neighbors. Was there anything you wanted to add?
No, I guess not. I just love to garden, and it's really, I think community gardens are really important, because they let people grow their own food, but they also build community, and they're beautiful. And
Jill Weiss gardens year-round, and when the Winter Olympics arrive in 2010, she'll be there, playing not in the snow, but in the garden. Until then, I'm Marion Owen.